My video tutorial will provide you with guidelines that will help you to remove fake human verification alerts related to the site mycloudvent.com. mycloudvent.com is a malicious site. It may attack Google, Chrome and other browsers too. mycloudvent.com tries to make you click on this allow button, supposedly to help you confirm that you're not a robot. The truth is that it's a mistake to click on allow. This may hijack your browser immediately with plenty of advertisements that would be displayed as web push notifications. If you've mistakenly clicked on allow, fix your browser by going to the menu, Settings, then Privacy and Security, Site as Settings, go down to Permissions and click on Notifications. Now research the sites allowed to send notifications and remove these malicious sites. I would also recommend investigating your device with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and begin researching your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.